Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device type and power state. This matters because brightness limits differ on battery. Open Settings now. On Windows, go to System Display. On Mac OS, open Displays. If you have a monitor with OSD buttons or a laptop keyboard with brightness keys, locate them. Once done, compare software slider control versus hardware buttons. Software adjusts panel backlight electronically, while OSD and keys change monitor firmware settings. Make sure drivers are installed before proceeding, because missing drivers can hide sliders or options. Now change brightness through the operating system. Slowly, move the slider in 1 to 5% steps until the level is comfortable for your eyes. If the slider is missing, open Device Manager or Mac OS software update and install display or GPU drivers, then reboot. This often restores controls. Next, open any vendor utility, Intel Graphics Command Center, NVIDIA Control Panel, or AMD Radeon settings to fine-tune gamma and adaptive brightness. Make sure adaptive or eco modes aren't overriding manual settings. Disable them temporarily to set your preferred level. Finish by making small, precise adjustments. Use the monitor OSD or keyboard keys for 0.5 to 1% changes that the OS slider can't reach. Enable night light or true tone to reduce blue light and perceived brightness. Calibrate color if the image shifts when dimmed. If brightness won't change, reinstall display drivers, swap cables, or test an external monitor to isolate the problem. As a key troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode. If brightness controls return there, a third-party app or driver conflict is the likely cause. Remove recent installs and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.